In a significant achievement for budget-conscious car buyers, the Suzuki Dzire has recently earned a coveted 5-star rating in the Global NCAP safety crash tests, distinguishing itself among more expensive models and defying typical expectations for lower-cost vehicles. Originally recognized as a fuel-efficient and compact sedan, the Dzire's leap in safety ratings underscores the car's improved build quality and substantial protective measures, which are rare in the economical car segment. The Global NCAP, New Car Assessment Program safety rating, is awarded after a rigorous series of tests assessing vehicles' protective capabilities in various crash scenarios, including frontal and side impact collisions. Previously, most vehicles in the budget category did not perform as well in these evaluations, often scoring lower star ratings. However, the Suzuki Dzire has now set a new standard by scoring well in both adult and child occupant safety categories, adding value for families and everyday drivers alike. The Suzuki Dzire's impressive results stem from strategic enhancements in its structural design and the integration of advanced safety features. These include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic brake force distribution, ISO-fix child seat anchors, and enhanced crumple zones that absorb crash forces more effectively. According to industry insiders, these modifications not only improve the car's rating, but also contribute to driver and passenger confidence, solidifying the Dzire's position as an affordable and dependable choice in safety-conscious markets. This achievement comes amid increasing demand for safer, affordable vehicles, as consumers prioritize safety along with cost efficiency. Furthermore, it places the Dzire alongside some premium models in the Indian and global automotive markets. The Global NCAP rating is expected to boost Dzire's appeal, particularly among families and first-time car buyers, while demonstrating that robust safety can be a priority even in budget-friendly segments. The Dzire's 5-star rating aligns with a growing trend in the Indian automotive market, where safety standards are progressively rising. It underscores the impact of regulations and consumer advocacy on prompting manufacturers to prioritize safety, even in their most economically accessible models. With this achievement, the Suzuki Dzire joins a select group of budget vehicles that have outperformed expectations in safety assessments, offering consumers a compelling choice without compromising on critical safety features.